Eric is a ship owner operating in Santorini. He wishes to expand his business by keeping his fleet highly competitive and also operational during the low season. He needs to decide if upgrading his current fleet will suffice, or he needs to purchase new vessels. Eric runs a series of simulations to access potential changes in its business. He wishes to investigate how different ticket prices, different vessel capacities, different vessels number will impact his business in a time horizon of 20 years. To this end, Eric simulates the unified model of the naval sector using a system dynamics model. Eric decides to invest into building a new vessel. For this reason, he uses the vessel web configurator in order to state his requirements and get some initial specifications of the new vessel. Eric configures the vessel. When the configuration is completed, he sends it to the vessel meta file application, an application which is used as the main hub of information between the vessel owner, the classification society, the shipyard engineers, and the vendors. Vasilis is a shipyard engineer. He is being automatically informed that Eric requested a quote for a new vessel. He logs in the vessel meta file application and reviews the quote. He needs to run a number of simulation and calculations in order to further specify the requirements of Eric's new vessel. He uses Rhino, a popular design software, to run a quick analysis and sends the results back to the vessel metafile application. Vangelis represents the classification society, which is in charge of providing the hard requirements for each vessel and also is responsible for certifying new vessels and rebuilds. Vasilis asked Vangelis to review the calculations in order to decide if the configuration that Eric has suggested is applicable. He does so by creating a new task in the vessel metafile application. Vangelis is informed about this task, reviews the information and decides that he needs further documentation from Vasilis. He also requests it automatically through the tool. Vangelis and Vasilis arrange a physical meeting for Vangelis to review the first stage of the implementation. Vasilis, using the Use It Wisely tools, does not solely rely on paper drawings and documentation, but augments the vessel with digital tools and services. Vangelis updates the vessel metafile application and issues their certification. All the documentation of vessel resides also in digital format and accompanies the vessel throughout its life duration. Use It Wisely and its naval cluster created the necessary tools and methodology for supporting the collaboration between the involved parties and augmenting the small passenger vessels with a digital file and services, the vessel meta file.